Hello, everybody. Make sure we're streaming here. All right, I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about color palettes and custom colors and custom effects and saving all that stuff to save you time. So let's get started right off the bat with custom colors. You're going to want to develop your own custom color palette. Doesn't mean you can't branch off from that, but you're going to want something that's kind of yours. So the best way to do that is to go into the color palette here. We're just going to select something generic. Let's go all dumb trees, and I'm just going to, I'm just going to click on the color here. Now this is where we're going to set it up. Okay, so we're going to click on the first one here, and I'm going to do kind of a muted palette. Okay, that's going to be kind of me. I'm going to be like this soft yellow, and then I'm going to click the second one here. I'm going to do a soft blue purple. That's pretty in there. I'm going to do a soft pink. All right, and I'm going to do a soft green. And what else do I want? One more maybe. How about a red? Alright, so there's my custom. That's going to be kind of my general. Now, it doesn't mean I can't branch out of it, once again, but that's going to be my general base. Alright, so what that's going to allow me to do is when I come in here, instead of having to search around, I can just say, oh, I want this to be green. There we go. Alright, let's look at some other ways that'll play out. Let's look at our smart trees here. I'm going to do an effect on tree 2. We'll bring something else into this too here. Alright, I'm going to do a spiral. I like the spiral effect. Want that left to right. Let's make that rotation a little harsher. Maybe, maybe not. Let's make that a little thinner. Speed is good. And then over here, I want this to also be a spiral. I want this to be just about like that. Here's a cool thing I just discovered today. Which effect do you want to be on the top? You want your big ones to be on the top or your small ones to be on the top? Okay, we'll add a little bit of sparkle to that. Like that. Alright, so let's go into our colors. We need some colors. So we're going to go in here to choose. Ooh, purple. Okay, turn it on. Over here, I want green. Okay. Okay, turn it on. And there we go, right there in the middle. Say, I really like that spiral effect. I really like those colors together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select my favorites. I'm going to hit save. And then I can name it purple, green, SPIR spirals. Okay, and there it is. So if I ever want to come back, now obviously, let's hit OK. Obviously, I could come back and copy and paste this, but let's say I'm a minute later into the song, or 30 seconds, and I only want this effect to go on tree 6, and I only want it to last for 1 second, 2 seconds. I can just come in here, double click that, there you go. The cool thing about saving favorites is you can swap this effect. So let's go to the diamonds. We're going to put it on left nested. And I want it to be from 20 seconds to 24 seconds. I can simply come down here, select my green, purple, hit OK, and now we've got it on that. Right. That was left, right? Alright, right diamond, I'm going to change my effect. I want that to be the same colors, but I want to use ripple and pinwheel. Well, that looks stupid. How about we just turn this one off? None. How about scanner? No. How about garland? There we go. kind of like that. Speed, slow it down a little bit, top to bottom, speed, fit it to the duration. Sorry, my wife is texting me to fix her dinner. So I'm going to wrap this up. Garland type, adorned, and I want this to be green. Can you tell green is my favorite color? Alright, there we go. Now let's go back to our smart trees. Here I want on trees 2, I want to use this garland effect. Okay. So I'm going to, oops, save that. Light over on my garland. I'm going to make that green. Garland. Okay. And that's what I want that to look like. Okay, so then we got that, and I want to select that, and I want to put that on tree. I just copy V or Control V, and I want to put that here, and I want to put that here. But here, I want to go back and put this. Control copy, Control, oops. It's easier if you do that in here. Control copy, Control paste. I forgot to hit play from start. Play from the selection. I think it's this one, right? There you go. So that makes it really easy once you get a couple effects you like. You can build, copy, paste, and really work with your color palette there. That'll save you a lot of time on having to find the same color every time. All right, hope that helped.